I will talk about how can you enable passcode on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it, then it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you just go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on privacy and security here. You come to this list here, then you click here on passcode lock, just click on it. So then you come here to passcode lock, just click in this sign. Then here add your passcode lock, you just add it like this here. Then you repeat it again, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.